I love the frosted tips.
I thought they were so cool.
Me too. My 13-year-old self went wild for the, frosted tips. Hi, my name is Brianna and this is Hair Me Out. Today I'm going to dye my hair blonde and cut it into a lob, but before we do, subscribe below. I've never dyed my hair before and I'm really nervous to make this change. So my biggest inspiration is my mom. She's been blonde for as long as I've known her, my whole life, in various styles and shades, even though she was naturally dark-haired like me. I've also found some inspiration in Jennifer Lawrence and the lob that she did that was blonde while she was in the movie Passengers. I thought that was a really cool look on her and I hope that it also looks good on me. Now we're gonna head over to the Sally Hershberger salon and I'm gonna meet with my colorist, Natalie, to start the transformation.
So are you ready today for your transformation?
Yes, I am ready. I'm a little bit nervous, but mostly excited.
I'm gonna do it slow and steady, and I can show you being nice clean pattern blonde. So I'm gonna introduce you to Stephanie. She's gonna be the one to be cutting your hair today.
So I'm gonna start by cutting your length, and then Natalie's gonna do all the coloring, and then I'm gonna end by detailing it.
It's not as shocking as I thought it would be, yet.
You look like a 5-year-old.
It was around my age when my mom had dyed her hair, and I think a lot of that was due to the fact that she had premature gray hairs, which I do as well. So I'm really excited to cover them up, or at least make them more manageable. Something about this reminds me of like a nun or something.
Space Nun.
Yeah, Space Nun, exactly. Whoa.
I'm blonde.
I've had brown hair my whole life and I've always really identified as a brunette and it's really a part of who I am. But at the same time, I'm really excited to make a dramatic change. There's so many things going on right now in my life and I'm really excited to kind of take control of my hair.
Now I'm gonna do the second round. What I'm gonna do is lift these up now, just to get a little bit lighter, like to match the root. I'm gonna do a little root shadow, just to take the edge off and keep it nice and creamy.
I'm really nervous it's gonna look bad, especially because I've never dyed my hair before. I've heard it can change your texture and I'm afraid that it won't feel the same, style the same, and I'm also afraid that it's gonna be yellow instead of the icy blonde look I'm going for. But like I said, my mom has been blonde all of her life and she's rocking it, so I hope I can too.
Are you ready for your final reveal?
Yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. I feel like a different person. I don't even recognize myself. I love it. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. I cannot believe that you guys are able to do this. Thank you. My mom is such a strong, independent career woman who I've always looked up to, even when I didn't realize it. I'm so excited to rock the blonde look just like her, and I'm absolutely loving my new hair. Thanks for watching. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here, and to watch more videos, click here.